because the other rim was, everything was so bad. Put a little anti-seize on there just to help it, so it doesn't stick or start rusting on there, because it's, this tire is not good, but I think we're going to get this done just in time today, because I think it might be going to rain.
Yeah, it feels like it, but it
I
didn't say it on mine this morning. I looked this morning.
Well, I stopped to talk to Kate. She said it was on hers. It's supposed to rain today.
Yeah. Starting to sprinkle, for crying out loud. We can't go too much with this impact, because it'll put 650 pounds of impact. Ooh, ground fire.
Now we can't completely torque it because it's on the car, but I can get it
Close.
a little bit
Tighter. Now we gotta torque the lug nuts down between 85 and 115.
So I'm going to 100.
Yeah, that click means it's there. You're not going.
You can't do a star bit
Cross.
with 6.
Oh. I'll go around and make sure they're all done. Ta-da!